Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to fix cannot install app on your Android mobile phone. So basically this happens when you download the apps from your Chrome browser or Opera Mini or from your own mobile phone browser. So when you will try to install the app, your mobile phone say it will be harmful for your device, and when you will tap on OK, the devices cannot install app. So today we will fix this problem. First let me show you. I am opening my file manager. So here I am searching for the app which I recently downloaded from my Google Chrome. Like the app name was Lucky. So here is the app which I download from my Google Chrome. Then I will try to install this one. So as you see, when I tap on install, so here is the option from Google Play Protect harmful app blocked. When I tap on OK, so as you see my mobile phone says app not installed. So let's fix the problem. Simply tap on the done icon. Now close your file manager. Open your Google Play Store. After it open, tap on your profile icon which is at the right top, and you will see the option Play Protect. Simply tap on this option and tap on the setting icon which is at the right top. Simply turn on this scan app with Play Protect. Turn off. So as you see now it's turned off. Now let's try again to install the same app. I'm opening my file manager and again searching for that app. I'm tapping on the app and tap on the option install. So as you see now this app is installed. After the installation, simply you can open the app by tapping on the open icon. Now tap on allow. So by this way you can install the app in your Android mobile phone. Now if you want to turn on the Google Play Protect, then simply turn on after the app's installation.